If you're tired of complicated plumbing repairs, the SharkBite push-to-connect adapter offers a solution that installs in seconds. No special tools, soldering, crimping, or glue required. Just push the adapter to create a secure, watertight connection that holds up under pressure. This versatile fitting works with copper, CPVC, plastic PEX pipe, and HDPE pipe, connecting seamlessly to female or male threaded pipes or fittings. That means fewer parts to buy and less guesswork when matching components, making your plumbing projects smoother and faster. Made from high-quality forged DZR brass, this adapter is completely lead-free, ensuring safe water flow for your home or commercial space. Its durability meets the strict standards professionals rely on for both residential and commercial plumbing applications. Manufactured and rigorously tested in the USA, SharkBite products deliver trusted quality and performance. Whether you're fixing a leak or upgrading your plumbing system, you can count on this adapter to perform reliably without the hassle of traditional methods. One side of the adapter uses a push-to-connect (PTC) design, while the other side features a female national pipe thread (FNPT). This combination lets you connect different types of pipes quickly, saving you time and effort on the job. Users across the United States praise SharkBite for eliminating the need to call a plumber. One customer shared how they easily replaced a leaking silcock by cutting out the old part and attaching the new one with this connector. No soldering, no stress. If you want plumbing repairs that are straightforward and reliable, SharkBite's push-to-connect adapter is worth a look. It's designed to make your work easier and your connections stronger. Try it when you're ready to simplify your next plumbing project. With SharkBite, what you get is a fast, safe, and professional-grade solution that changes how you handle pipe connections.